inspected. Please make sure your vehicle is in neutral. Do not touch the brake.
We have a Mark VII SoftLine tunnel system. We get the ultimate soft touch brush. So let's see if it does a great job. Says neutral. Should be interesting. We can pre-soak. Or tire cleaner. It says Mark VII up ahead. Now we can pre-soak. Let's pull your windshield wiper, please. Oh. Stop. We can try them now. Out of these tubes at the top. Good covering of a tri-foam. Interested if we put it on the top brush. Now with 4 brushes. Great job cleaning the car. That's what you wish you labor, please. We're getting a high power winds. This is a Mark VII system, so fish should be loud. This is a touch-free cycle if you want to get the ultimate touch-free. Here comes a high power wind. That's supposed to be for critical protective. But right now, that's odd. These brushes are not even going. No critical protective, no polishing brushes. That's really odd. Up ahead is a critical Up ahead is a critical protective and the spot-free vents and the Mark VII foot test dryers. So I wonder if it didn't have it working. So we're not doing anything on the car. Just drizzling on the car.
What's going on now?
Probably supposed to be a critical protective. Oh! This is probably our rain axe, because we're supposed to get rain axe. Yes, this is our rain axe. Not the deep. And this is our spot-free widths. This is a long tunnel system. And here comes the dryer. We have Mark VII foot test dryers. That sounds like superior dryers.
Jesus, 4 both them.
Yes, and 2 on the side. We have Mark VII foot test dryers.
That should be good dryer.
Yes. For tire shine, and we get the full dryer. Yes. We're doing a great job. job. Wait till the sign say go. It's pushing off of the computer with the old style logo. We can go. It says go. Okay, now it's going to, the doors are going to open. Yeah.
It's snowing out.
That's the Mark 7 SoftLine system. Hello YouTube, and today we are at a Shell car wash here that has a choice wash again. This is a Mark 7 SoftLine system, and we are going to be getting the Deluxe Touchless wash today. Here we go. We're getting the pre-soak. Good coverage of a pre-soak. We're getting another coating. Good coverage of that as well. Now we're getting the triple foam. Good coverage again. We're getting no brushes. They are all turned off since this is a touchless wash. Now we're getting the high power rinse. We didn't get this stage here for polishing brushes. Here, it's only used for ultimate car washes. We're getting for spot-free rinse. We're getting for spot-free rinse. Here comes the dryer. We have Mark 7 full cap dryers here. Let's see if they do well. For dryers are not doing And that's the Mark 7 SoftLine system. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this car wash video, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good day.